Hello everyone, my name is Suman and I'm a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. We make new videos every week in regards to Australian migration, and if you are interested in this topic, you may want to subscribe to our channel. In this video today, we will be talking about the Permanent Visa 191 in the Regional Provisional stream. The Subclass 191 visa allows individuals holding a 491 Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa or 494, which is the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa, to reside permanently in Australia. Now let's look at the requirements for this visa. As the visa applicant, you must hold a qualifying visa for at least 3 years prior to the 191 visa application. The qualifying visas are Subclass 491 Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa or Subclass 494 Skilled Employer Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa. Please note that there is no minimum income requirement. You must provide notices of assessment issued by the Australian Taxation Office for 3 income years out of the 5 years of your eligible visa. Applicant must meet relevant health and character criteria, including any family members holding the same qualifying visa as a dependent. You and your family members must have complied with the conditions on your 491 or 494 visa. These conditions are, so the first one is 8578. You must notify the Department of Home Affairs within 14 days if any of the following change while you are in Australia on this visa: your address, your email address, your phone number, your passport details, your employer's address or the address where you work. The next condition is 8579. While you're in Australia, you must live, study and work in an area that is on the list of designated regional areas in an instrument. If you hold a Subclass 491, the area must have been on the list of designated regional areas on the date department granted your visa. If you hold a Subclass 494 visa and you are a primary visa holder, the area must have been on the list of designated regional areas when your employer lodged your most recently approved nomination. If you hold a Subclass 494 visa and you are a secondary visa holder, the area must have been on the list of designated regional areas when the primary visa holder's most recently approved nomination was lodged by their employer. The next condition is 8580. If the department sends you a letter asking you to, you must provide them with evidence of the address where you live, the address of all your employers, the addresses where you work, the address of any school, college or university that you attend. The letter will tell you what sort of evidence the department needs and how you should send it. They might ask for evidence of all your addresses or only some of your addresses, and you will have 28 days to provide that evidence that they have asked for. The next condition is 8581. The Department of Home Affairs might ask you to attend an interview at a specific address, or they might conduct the interview over the phone or the internet. The letter will contain the details of the interview time and how or where you must attend. There is a condition of 8608 on 494 visa holders only. As per this condition, you must work only in the occupation nominated in your most recent Subclass 494 visa application. You cannot work in a different occupation unless you apply for and are granted a new Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa. If you want to change your employer, your new proposed employer must get a nomination approved before you can start work for them. Based on the recent 191 grants that we have received, the department is taking anything from a few days to 3 months to process this visa. If you have completed or are about to complete 3 years on a 491 or 494 visa, you may want to get in touch with us for your permanent visa Subclass 191. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.